What's up, guys? We just made 825% profit today. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Our last call to buy Bitcoin was right here, $27,000, when you have this cross line right here. Like I mentioned in my videos, we track the main cryptos too, and I alert the crypto traders when they should buy and sell the main cryptos because you use a swing trader strategy, okay? So the traders know when you're gonna sell Bitcoin. I will send the alert for. Overall today, like I mentioned, 825% profit today. Trades I shared in the private list was Acquire.FI, XSwap, Storj, Serum, FTX token, Virtua. Guys, 825% profit. I made $82,000. Let me show how it's done. FTX token, take a look right here. On November 6th, you see this volume spike right here. Let's go to the charts. FTX token, the full screen, right here. On November 6th, the volume of this coin was $28 million. In November 7th, the volume of this coin was $58 million. That's a volume spike right here. Before the pump, that is a pre-pumping volume, guys. So I shared this trade in the private list on October 8th. Before the pump, we bought this coin for $1.24. Put essa order up here at daily resistance, $5, guys. 285% profit. I make $28,000 in this trade. You're gonna see one more exactly same example. Storage, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on November 4. We bought this coin for 45 cents. Put essa order up here 90 cents. I made 90%. 90%, I mean $9,000. Same strategy, guys. Take a look at the storage, the full chart here. Pay attention right here. On October 29, the volume of this coin was $18 million. Before the pump, there is a pre-pump volume. The volume pumped for $18 million up to $86 million. That's what I'm talking about. We need this pre-pump volume to make sure the price will go up. The rest you know. We buy before the pump and sell up high. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share, let's trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time, have a blessed day. And remember, right now we are tracking 3,000 coins with more volume, okay? Pay attention how many coins I share in the private list on the last 3 weeks, guys. This is insane. The software is running 24/7. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's trade together. Together, we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.